In this video I'll show you probably the best gaming desk from IKEA so far, the Malomrade, and this one is 599 euro now. But look at this arm here for the monitor. It has this really interesting rail for the desk, and the monitor arm looks very sturdy. They look much better than the previous options they had, and it's something like a whole setup. There is a panel even. I'm not even sure what to put on that board, but there could be some silver play button, for example. There could be something like that. And the desk itself, it's not very complicated, but I like that it's like a keyboard here. These seem to be actual keyboard, mechanical keyboard switches, and you have the usual setup when you adjust the desk up or down, and also you have two presets. The legs of the desk seem very sturdy for IKEA, and in general the standing desks, they have a bit of a problem when they are at the highest position. They wobble a bit, but usually on the sitting position, on the lower positions, they are as sturdy as any other desk. And yeah, the difference here is that you can adjust it and you can stand or you can sit, and the whole thing adjusts the whole desk, including that wall mount and the monitors. You could even have 3 monitors, or you could even have 4 monitors there. It's not like I need to have 3 monitors or 4 monitors. Maybe 3 would be an idea, maybe 4 doesn't fit really, but you have the option to even add those things. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think you would add to that panel, that board on top. And yeah, I'll show you a little bit of the underside of the desk. It seems pretty solid metal, all metal. I was trying to record the label here, and yeah, it's not easy here. I have to turn the phone the right way, and it's not the right way, it's the other way. But usually these desks, they have a power supply and a linear actuator, it says there. And you can see the power consumption doesn't really matter for these desks, because they only use the power when they move up or down, as far as I know. And yeah, that's how the desk looks like. It doesn't look very complicated to assemble, but it does look heavy. So if you're going to install this, probably that's going to take some effort. I like these buttons that they even light up when you touch them. And the desk itself seems very made from a sturdy material, so sturdy plastic probably, so you don't have it wearing down too fast while using it. And this is actually a pretty good setup for a gamer or a creator, content creator, YouTuber, or anything, any platform. The best thing about this is these arms. They are really interesting, and they seem to be very well set up like this on a rail behind the screen, and you could add other things on that rail, and they are adjustable. This is the part I like the most, and I'm sure this can have more arms, multiple utilities, even a microphone. I mean, for YouTube videos, that's perfect. You could have a microphone arm, lights even. Yeah, the Malomrade 180 by 80, that's the desk size, and it's a new product, I believe. It's not something I saw before in IKEA. I just wish they had the legs made more sturdy. This is a common problem with these desks, but I think it's fine. They are getting to where it's really good, and this cable is a bit hanging out like that. Yeah, it's not very stable, and there is even a computer case. One thing about this standing desk, you have to, when you put the cables going to the computer, you have to make sure that they are not forced, they are not pulled too hard when the standing desk is at the highest position. So that's one thing to think about, especially the screens. You would need extra long screens for the monitors, HDMI or DisplayPort. But yeah, that's another detail. And probably that board, the top board, is adjustable, removable, in case you don't need it. I'm really curious what those arms are for. Maybe for cable management somehow, but I don't know what to put there. This is really, it felt like one of the best desks so far. They have the MITZON also, the series, which is more of a general desk, but this is more geared towards gaming. And the style of it, the look of it, it's made for gaming. I wish they had other colors on it. I don't know, it seems really sturdy though.
It was very solid. Super solid on the low, but a bit not so solid on the high.
Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.